This is the gym walkthrough tour on Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas cruise ship. This is accessed from floor number 6. It also can be accessed from floor number 5 on the walking track. Down this hallway here, you have a workout room. Also down this hallway, there is a spinning room for spinning cycling classes. Right here on the right, there are some offices. This is where some of the consultations happen. They do have some nice water refill stations. And then the rest of the gym is down here on floor number 5, walking down these stairs. There's a lot of cardio machines in this gym, and here's just an example of some of them as we come down these stairs here. Ellipticals, we have rowers, and treadmills along this back. There's lockers there. You can, for day use, you can store your items while you're working out. There's bathrooms there on the right, down that hallway right there. And then a lot of other gym machines here. They also have several free weight stations. Big mirrored wall across this area here. Barbells, plate machines, dumbbells. Yoga balls, pulley machines. Really is a full functional gym. Climbing rope simulator there, and then a bunch of cardio machines on this other side. So the nice thing on a busy sea day at 9 o'clock in the morning when it's really busy, there's still a lot of availability with all these treadmills, stationary bikes, and there's even room if you want to do your own workout, stretches, exercises on the floor with mats, towels. They have water refill station here, TVs on the wall, and some more cable machines. They even have in this corner up here on the left, they even have another free weight station, so multiple free weight stations. This is the access door down to the running track. This running track goes around the whole bottom floor of the 5th floor of the cruise ship. You can access the gym on this level, and you have another water refill station here. So I'm impressed with how many water refill stations they are. It's also nice to take a lap around this track after you've done a workout to kind of cool down, get some nice fresh sea air. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.